Hello students, welcome to the video on topic 3, expanding algebra expressions. In this video, you must make sure that you have your notes before we start. Are you ready? If you are, let's start to learn. Now let's recall something that we have learned in topic 1. 3 bracket 3 plus 2. If I want to evaluate this would be 3 times 5, which gives me 15. Am I right? Now, another way to look at 3 times 3 plus 2 would be to see that for 3 plus 2, we want to have 3 groups of it, which means it's going to be 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. Can you see that there are 3 groups of 3 and 3 groups of 2? Therefore, we can also write it as 3 times 3 plus 3 times 2. This gives us 9 plus 6, which is equals to 15. Therefore, it is very clear that we can rewrite 3 times 3 plus 2 to be equals to 3 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 2. With this in mind, we're going to be able to extend this to algebra. Okay? Now we're going to start with the first question. Question 4.1a. Now question 4.1a gives 3 times x plus 2. So what's going to happen is, with this same idea over here, we're going to do expansion. So first thing is 3 multiplied by x, and then we're going to use 3 multiplied by positive 2. So you should be able to see that the sign of plus 2 is very important. Positive 2. From here, you get 3 multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by 2. And this gives you 3x plus 6. The end. Now, let's try the next question. Question B. Negative 3 multiplied by y minus 2x. Can you see how do you do this? Same idea. Negative 3 times y. As mentioned, you should notice that this is negative 3, not just 3. So negative 3 times y, you get negative 3 times y. And the next one, what do you get? Negative 3 times what? 2x or negative 2x? Yes, it is negative 2x, because you must consider the sign with it. So we write down plus negative 3 times negative 2x. From here, you get negative 3y plus, let's take a look, negative 3 times negative 2x. So you have two negatives multiplying together, you will get a positive. Yes. So negative 3 times negative 2 will be positive 6. And then you have x, so it's plus 6x. Clear? Now let's look at the next question. Question C. You have x multiply by x minus 2xy. Can you apply the same idea? So x multiplied by x, and then you write down plus x multiplied by negative 2xy or 2xy. Yes, negative 2xy. So always pay attention to the sign that's given. From here, x times x, what do you get? Good, x squared. And then from here, x times negative 2xy, positive times negative gives you good, negative. So this is not positive, this is not plus, it's a minus 2x yx. Or rather, if you can't see it, it's x times y. Now x times x, what do you have? Yes, you have x squared, right? So you shouldn't write xy because you're supposed to look at the question, you're supposed to simplify it. Therefore, this should not be written xxy, you must write it as x square y. Okay? Now, with that, I'll give you 30 seconds. Try question 4.1d by yourself. Okay, take the last 10 seconds. Alright, now let's take a look and let's compare your answer with the answer over here. Now, 6 multiply to 4x plus y minus 2 times x minus y. So we're going to deal one by one. First, we'll deal with this one. Okay? From here, 6 multiplied by 4x. What do you get? 24x. 6 multiplied by y gives you plus 6y. So at this point, once you're familiar, please be able to write the expansion immediately. You do not need to show the full steps over here. Next one. From here, negative 2 times x gives you negative 2x. Okay? And then take a look at this one. This is negative 2 times y or negative y. Yes, negative 2 times negative y. So negative times negative gives you positive 2y. Let me just highlight this again. Please remember that you need to pay attention that this is negative 2 multiplied to x and negative y, not just the 2. Okay? So from here, if you stop here, this is incomplete because you need to simplify. So from here, 24x minus 2x gives you 22x, and 6y plus 2y gives you plus 8y. And then you are done. So that is all for question 4.1. Please complete 4.2 and question 4.3 before the next lesson.